Hello and welcome to another exciting video in Mathland. Today we're going to talk about the distance between a point and a line. Okay, this is nice because they give us a nifty little formula here to help us. Guess what that stands for? Distance. Okay, and then we've got all these letters and stuff over here. And we've got our point and our line. So we're going to break down what's in the formula and plug stuff into that formula from what we have over here. Okay, so we have our point, that's pretty clear. That's an x and a y. So we're going to call this x1, y1. Okay, do you see where that could correlate over here? Yes, it could. Okay, but now we have to figure out what this a, b, and c are, and they're capital A, B, and C, so they represent coefficients or constants, or constants. So we've got this line over here. We need to put this line in the form ax plus by plus c. So that's the general equation form. Okay, so let's move everything over so it equals 0, and then we can see our a, b, and c. So I'm going to move the 2x over yonder as well as that 1. So I've got a negative 2x. I'm going to subtract 2x over here and then subtract 1 over there. I'm going to put it in alphabetical order. Negative 2x plus y, that didn't move, minus 1 equals 0. Okay, now this is the general equation, so I'm going to highlight my coefficients as far as my a, b, and c. Okay, negative 2, that's my big A. And the coefficient here to this y is understood to be 1, so I'm just going to dash that in. That's my big B. And then my c is the constant here. Remember, the sign goes with that number. So now we have a, b, and c, x1, y1. We have everything that we need to make this work in the formula. So I'm going to plug everything in here. I've got absolute value of my a, negative 2, times my x1, which is 4, plus my big B, 1, times my y1, which is 1, plus my c, which is negative 1. Okay, all over the square root of my a, negative 2 squared, plus my big B, which is 1 squared. Okay, looking good. So on the top, we should have something that looks like 8. And over here, we've got 2 squared plus 1, that's square root of 5. Okay, so that is the distance between the point and the line, but what the heck does that mean? Well, let's take it to an approximation, since you might be graphing this, or you might want a decimal answer, so you can figure out what's going on here. Approximately, it comes out to 3.58. So that's how many units are between this point and this line. And that's it, just plugging it in. Enjoy!